This video walks you through how to process the applied insurance payments by provider by transaction date report and explain what it's all about. Before we begin, let me explain what this report can do for you. It was built for our customers who have associate doctors on staff at their practice. They are not a partner of the practice or owner and work a few days or more a week. Within Eyefinity Practice Management, this report lives under the Sales Report section and is called Applied Insurance Payment by Provider by Transaction Date Report. It can be run by month and year or by date range. Simply enter in your date range and select the offices you need calculated on the report. All offices can be selected here as well. Then, generate the report. The report gives you a list sorted by location if multiple location criteria is selected for the report, then by doctor. In the top left corner shows our first office number and provider. This list contains all the orders, exams, and anything associated with the claim. Remember, this is an applied insurance report. The far right column shows what the insurance paid, insurance applied payment column. And if the patient paid an outstanding balance, patient applied payment column. Negative amounts display because they are the actual credit transactions created when posting the payment. There is a subtotal for each doctor giving you a total of the actual revenue brought in for this doctor. For our next provider, notice the service date was back in December. Why is this showing on the report now? The report is based when the payment was entered into the system by your biller, not when the doctor rendered the services. Let's move further down the report. For this doctor, you can see the same item type information. This is how the insurance applied payment column will look when payment was made by the insurance. Each provider has a subtotal of what revenue was brought in, and then at the bottom of each location, there is an office location total. Here is the second location information. Once again, insurance applied payments, patient applied payments, and subtotals for their doctors, based on when the payment was entered. On this last page, it gives a grand total of the whole company, along with the notes on how these columns are calculated. So this report will help manage all your associate doctors in the practice and give you an idea of what they are bringing in from an insurance perspective. We hope you found this tutorial useful, and thank you for listening. To contact Education Resources, please send an email to er@eyefinity.com.